Now let's discuss about one interesting topic in Python, lambda functions, also known as anonymous functions. Yes, lambda functions are small, unnamed functions that fit in a single line. They are useful for short and temporary tasks. So, how you can create or define a lambda function? Its syntax is very simple. Lambda, args, colon, expression. This is its syntax. Now let's take a look at an example. Let's add numbers using lambda function. So add equals lambda x comma y. Here arguments are x and y. And what is the expression? X plus y. So now if you call the function add 3 comma 4 and then print it, what will be its value? 7, right? Perfect. When you need a quick throwaway function, lambda is for you. So why use lambda? They are commonly used with map, filter or sorted functions for concise functional style code. Let's take a simple example of a lambda with filter. So let's create a list of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and let's filter even numbers. So evens equals lambda x module 2 equals 0. So it takes the argument x and it returns only if x is divided by 2. Now just wrap it with filter function, where first we will have this lambda function, then provide a comma, and then it will take the list, yes, this number array or nums array. Now let's convert it to list by wrapping this whole with list. That's how simple it is. Now if you take a look at it once, you will feel like, hey, it's a complex thing, but no, it's not. See, just break it down like this. Lambda, this is the lambda function, alright. Next we are using the filter function where it is taking two arguments. The first one is the lambda function itself and the second one is the list. And then we are wrapping it inside list. So the results which this filter is returning, we are converting it to list. That's it. To an array, you can say, if you are familiar with other programming languages. But from now we are going to use list. Alright? Okay. Yeah, it returns 2, 4. Quick and clean, right?